What's up, girls? Where do you think you're going? Where do you think you're going? Hey, you stay on the ground. You trying to climb over that fence? What's wrong with you? Huh? What's wrong? You that hungry? I know you can't be that hungry. I know you can't be that hungry. Patty, I see you. I got you some. See, you're a little more mature and patient. I got you. Yeah, it makes you yawn. Boring, right? There you go, big girl. Y'all need to chill over there. Hey. Where's Spider-Man? Calm down. I got you some. I got your feet. Just hold on. Can you believe them?